I hope that it is not necessary to tell that who am I. But no matter, good way. The time knowledge giver Sujit Kumar Dubey. And today I have come to tell 3 points, 3 terms. Okay, what is that 3 terms? Because that 3 terms is very interesting today. Okay, and every person, everybody wants to know that. Okay, and every person have desire to know that. What is that 3 points? That 3 points is first, that is the laughing. What is laughing? How laughing will come? What is the reason behind this? Okay. And that is second point is yawning. Okay. Yawning. What is yawning? Why yawning will come? Why? What is the reason behind it? And that is third point is also necessary to know. It is not necessary that this question will ask and the medical exams. And it is not necessary only for the mathematical student. And it is also not necessary. But if you study biology, if you also not study biology, then this may also necessary to know if you are a human. Okay. If you are a human, then this is necessary to know you. That what is laughing, what is yawning, and what is hiccups. Hiccups, hips की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं बेटा. Hiccups, हिचकी की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. So, comes and know good way about these 3 points. And I hope that you will take enjoy of that 3 points, 3 terms. Okay? What is your comment about that 3 points? Tell me in the comments. Okay? First of all, you come and know about this. Yo, Mister, I am saying to you that never forget to like and subscribe this channel. Because this is your channel. Okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.